And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop text overflow in Microsoft Excel. Now, in Excel, in my previous video, I showed you how to double-click the columns so that way it'll adjust the titles for you in each column, and you'd have to do it individually. But let's say if your spreadsheet has multiple columns that are in around, like, say, 10, 15, or maybe even more, it's going to be more cumbersome to basically click on each column. To make life easier, the best way to make sure that the columns don't overflow into another column is to first click on this area over here. It basically highlights all the columns, and then from there you just double click the line that's in between column A and column B, and once we double click it, it basically adjusts all the columns and makes them identical. And that is how you can adjust the columns and prevent text overflow. Thanks for watching.